Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing on how to withdraw your application from Accenture. Let's get started. Now, unfortunately, on the Accenture portal, there is no direct way to withdraw. All you can do is send an email with the given email, the ID in the portal. Nowadays, even Accenture jobs are applied through Workday, hence we have no direct access to withdraw the application. As in, folks, the ability to withdraw the application is not available yet. However, you do have the option to go ahead and edit that application and upload your most up-to-date resume. As far as withdrawing applications go, we're yet to see that feature in the applicant portal. So again, people, there is no direct way to go ahead and withdraw your application, but you can go ahead and edit the application and upload your most up-to-date resume. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.